Hi, welcome to TezAsia Hackathon. So for today, we are going to we are going to have a special speaker. Is Mr. Kenti Mashara. So he is going to be doing a workshop on how to integrate the hardware for wallet into your 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 KPI and things like that. So I would like to introduce the speaker now. He is here. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
So this is Mr. Kenti Mashara. So he will go through with you the workshop from here on. And yeah, you could start the share screen now.
Oh, just a
Yes.
minute.
Yeah. Thank you.
There's... Oh, can you see it? Oh,
Yes, we can see it. Okay. I let you
okay.
take over from here on. Thank you.
Okay, let's start. First of all, what will be background on which I will show how to connect the Temple wallet? It will be a React application which is
Hi.
create.
I think they can't see. They can't see your temple wallet actually. I think it's your screen. So yeah, could be the window one or the Windows that is not right. Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is a React application which will connect to our Temple wallet, and finally we'll send a transaction. Let's start. First of all, let me show. You can see that it's just a Scratch application. We need to install some modules to work with Temple wallet. These include, of course, Taquito modules. Please pay attention to the version. You shouldn't use the 10th version because you may get some troubles with connection. Then utils, the same version. And of course, Temple Wallet, the app. Sorry. Okay, here we go, and let's add some buttons just to show that everything will be right. Okay, let here be a connection button and another one. No, let's not add another one for now. And let's add a callback to it. Okay. First of all, we need to check if our Temple wallet is available at all. Oops. Sorry, I installed not to that project. Oh. Let's continue finally. Wait. Oh, is available. If this method shows if temp wallet is installed in our browser. If it isn't, we can't do anything actually. The next stage is exactly connection of this wallet. We use the method request permission, and let's use the mainnet network. Oh, sorry. We need to cache errors in case a user rejects the connection. Actually, sorry for confusing everything. Actually, we need to create an instance of wallet and connect it if it is not connected yet, and finally get the credentials of the account. Okay, and for the beginning, let's just output the credentials of the user. Okay, let's start our app. Okay, connect. Okay, then we'll connect this second account. Please pay attention to the to its fragments of public hash. Connect. Actually, you here you can see the same that actually we successfully connected our wallet to this DApp. But let's continue to finally perform some operations. So, of course, we need an instance of TezAsia toolkit. Actually, oh, sorry, it's not that. Let's create an instance of TezAsia toolkit. To TezAsia, yes. Actually, this creates our instance, but this is not not the last. We need to add a signer to it to be able to estimate transactions. So we should add a so-called read-only signer. It doesn't sign any transaction but by itself, but does a lot of other job. So let's add the signer to it. And finally, let's add a state to this application to display the account. Okay, let's save it. As you can see, we can just show to the user our connection state, and it's fine. So let's add one more button just to to enable user to do some transaction. Let's donate some crunch, for example. To donate some crunch, actually, we need all the credentials of this token. I mean, its address and ID, and of course the recipient. Let it be my account. Oh, in comparison to the other stuff, the process of sending is pretty trivial due to the fact that we got a good instance of Tezos toolkit. So let's do it. Wait. Orange dress. We need to create a contract instance exactly from using Tezos.wallet because we need to sign it. Okay, and let's finally send it.
Hi,
Hi.
could you increase the font size? Because I think, yeah,
Which side?
someone
Font
in the
size.
comment was asking,
I'm
yeah,
terribly
us to
sorry.
increase the font size.
No problem. Is this okay for you? Sorry, I can't do it. Make it larger.
I think we can continue from here. Yeah, so it should be fine.
Oh, is it perfect? Or should we make it a bit smaller? Oh, finally we can call it method transfer, due to which we will send donate some crunch. Oh, oh. A crunch token has a decimal, so we need to pass a so-called raw amount. We're going to make a user donate 2 crunch per each click. If everything goes fine, let's show an alert that the donation is successful. Otherwise, let's show another one. Okay, let's check it all finally. Yes, that's it. And finally, let's donate. Oh, sorry, something went wrong. Just let me check according with my previous code. Maybe I'll find the reason. Ah, yes, of course. Yes. Send method should have been called here. Let's start over. Sorry, here we deal with an error. It's a bit strange. Okay. It looks like I gave it wrong parameters. That's horrible. Yes, we are done. We are about to sign the transaction which will transfer to to Crunch to my own account. Let's check it in our Temple wallet. Here we go. We can track a transaction. In brief, that will be all. If you have any additional tasks for me or questions, you are welcome.
Hi. So I do have some questions from BJ. We're gonna
Oh,
show it. Okay.
yes.
So yeah.
It's a big. Yes, you are absolutely right. Temple Wallet uh, fully supports connection with Beacon SDK. No, Crunch is a Fed2 based fungible token. Actually, you could see it by its its signature of transfer method. Instead of simply specifying a sender, a receiver, and an amount, we deal here with actually a bunch of transactions. No, actually a batch of transfers in one transaction. That's it. Oh, that's a great question. Just a minute, I'll share with great pleasure. Oh, okay, yes. Here you are.
So I don't think there's any more questions. So I think if the I mean we can end the workshop if there's nothing else. So thank you once again, Mr. Inoke, Master.
Innocenti.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
So
sorry for let's say this way, challenging you with my full name. You could have named me Kesha. I forgot about it.
okay. Sure. Okay. Thank you so much for for your time to actually to demonstrate on the workshop and to teach us about on the temporal model and things like that. And then I would like to end off on the session. So thank you everybody for this.
Okay, and thank you. It's actually my first experience of being a host of a workshop.
Okay.
I
Yeah. Okay.
hope wasn't too boring.
Yeah, sure. Okay, okay. So yeah. So like I think it's okay that if it's your first time, it's fine. I mean, we all learn together in this workshop. So it's a great thing that you actually came here to actually to demonstrate and to teach us. So I thought it was a great thing. And then yeah, do you have any other words for for the audience or things?
Oh, I I'm afraid I don't have anything more to say.
Okay, so thank you once again for your time, and we are going to end the stream now. So thank you everybody, and
Thanks.
have a
It
good
was
day.
my pleasure. Bye.
Bye bye.